Alright, so normally I don't put this kind of a intro into my videos because it's one of my pet peeves. I hate when people are like, oh, on today's episode of this and that. Like, I don't make any money from this. I just do it for fun. And it's something that I can look back at, remember, and hopefully share my hunts with people and they enjoy it. Um, but what you're going to see is me whiff on two Harlequin drakes. And I was down for the count because I pretty much got told like this day if I didn't get my Harlequins, I wasn't getting them on that hunt. Um, Thankfully, everything worked out for me, and I got to harvest one of my Harlequins on video. And then my second one, my GoPro 7 was dead, and I forgot to turn my 11 that's on my head on. But it was an awesome experience being out there with one of my buddies from work and just an overall good friend of mine. Watching him shoot sea ducks for the first time, me my second time ever, and just being down there with Ray and the other three guys that we were with, Bailey, Joe, and his dad Walt. It was a great group. We laughed and bullshitted the whole time. I would do it again in a heartbeat. I can't wait to do it again in a heartbeat. I'm already looking at other trips, but now knowing that I finally harvested my Harlequins, a 10-year goal I had was to harvest my Harlequins, find a way to get my Harlequins. It took 10 years to get it, and now I got two of them for the wall and the cherish. And this video will probably be my all-time favorite video, no matter what. On top of shooting 9-10 bands in one day, or piling up geese or mallards or pintails or widgeon or anything else. This will probably be my favorite video just because this video allowed me to knock something off my bucket list, and that was harvesting my Drake Harlequins. So I really hope you guys enjoy this. If you ever want to do this kind of a trip, please comment. I can get you hooked up with Ray. He's a great guy. I can't wait to go back down there and go either hunt or fish with him again. I highly recommend him. And I hope I bet they dropped them on land.
If those are Harlequin and they come all the way over, I'm just gonna shoot the hen too. I don't give a shit.
Do what?
Hold on.
If they come all the way over, I'll bet you're gonna shoot my ear out. Where's he at?
right up front somewhere. Right up front. Right up front.
Look for him. He's gonna come up. You shot him. He's gonna come up. That's been our biggest problem. Like, none of them want to come in fucking around. Coming in left behind us, Brandon. Coming around the rock. Drake Harley. Just behind it.
super smooth with, but they're so done that they're not picking up on it.
Yep.
That's what they've done.
Hold on.
Hell yeah.
No fucking chance, dude. Fuck yeah, Brandon.
That was a nice shot too.
Oh my god.
Because he could have possibly,
Fuck.
like last second, he looked like he kind of wanted to hook in and circle around, but
Brandon wasn't giving him the chance.
no,
dude.
I don't blame you.
That'd be like, that was the 4th bird that was flying straight at our decoys. It was like, not for me. Alright, I'll shoot my second one now. What is that flying at us?
That's
Cormorant?
Comrade.
Yep.
That's what they've done.
Hold on.
No fucking chance, dude. Fuck yeah, Brandon. Oh my god.
Because he could have possibly.
Fuck.